Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and launch the Vehicle Simulator production environment using Docker. By the end of this video, you will have both the Vehicle Simulator and the Diagnostic Tester running successfully connected over Automotive Ethernet using Diagnostic over Internet Protocol, also known as DOIP. Let's get started. First, open a terminal. The complete production environment is distributed as a Docker image which contains everything needed to run the vehicle simulator and diagnostic tester. Download the latest production image using the Docker pull command shown on the screen. Depending on your internet connection, this may take several minutes. Once the download completes successfully, continue to the next step. Now verify that Docker downloaded the image correctly. List the locally available Docker images. You should now see the vehicle simulator production image in the list. If the image appears correctly, the installation was successful. Next, create a new Docker container from the downloaded image. The command shown on the screen creates the production container and immediately enters interactive mode. After a few moments, you should now be inside the production environment. To confirm that the container is running correctly, list all Docker containers. You should see the newly created production container. Inside the container, change to the latest vehicle simulator release directory. This directory contains the executable that we will launch shortly. Before starting the simulator, determine its IP address. Display the network interfaces using the command shown on screen. Locate the IPv4 address assigned to the Docker network. Make a note of this address. You will need it later when connecting the diagnostic tester over DOIP. Now launch the vehicle simulator executable. After startup, the simulator initializes all internal software modules and begins listening for incoming diagnostic over IP connections. At this point, the simulator is running successfully and waiting for a diagnostic client to connect. Leave this terminal running. We'll now open a second terminal. Since the Docker container is already running, there is no need to create another one. Instead, reconnect to the existing production container using the commands shown on screen. This allows you to reuse the same execution environment without losing any previous state. Inside the container, change to the latest diagnostic tester release directory. This directory contains the diagnostic client application. Launch the diagnostic tester executable. When prompted, enter the vehicle simulator IP address that you noted earlier. The tester now establishes a diagnostic over IP Ethernet connection with the vehicle simulator. Once connected successfully, the diagnostic tester waits for diagnostic requests from the user. To verify that everything is working correctly, send a tester present diagnostic command. The expected positive response should match the value shown on the screen. Receiving this response confirms that the diagnostic tester and vehicle simulator are communicating correctly over DOIP. Your installation is now complete. When you are finished testing, you can safely shut down the vehicle simulator using the standard ECU shutdown diagnostic service. Send the shutdown ECU command shown on screen. The simulator will terminate gracefully. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the vehicle simulator production environment, launched both applications, established diagnostic over IP communication, and verified successful diagnostic messaging. You can now continue with additional diagnostic services or integrate the simulator into your own automotive software development workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more automotive software engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.